this is so this is tin, this is nickel, we have some zinc and copper. So let's try the tin first. Let's put it right there. And we have mainly 2 peaks, and here they are right there. We are somewhere around 2517 when they should be 2527. We right there, the second one around 2864 when it should be at 2848. So we're pretty good. This is tin. And now let's put a piece of nickel. This is nickel, and nickel has 1, maybe 2 peaks, but they're kind of low. Oh boy. Okay. Right here, they're low. I don't think you can detect 4 of them, but here it is 752 when nickel should be at 748. So this is nickel. Let's try zinc. So with zinc, okay, we have our 2 peaks right there. This is the one you would expect at 868. It's supposed to be 864. There's another one right here. It's hard to see, but it's right there. This is 969 when it should be at 957. Also, I noticed this peak right here at 1492, 1499. So obviously there's something else in this zinc. Interesting. But this is zinc. And finally, let's do copper. Let's put copper right here. And off we go with the copper right here. So we have our peaks right here. It's at somewhere around 813 when it should be around 805, 806. This is pretty good. 813. Okay. So I'll try different currency. Maybe nickel, and I got copper. Okay. So I'll try a quarter, and then I got nothing but copper. So okay, maybe I'll try a penny. And here we go, copper. Well, maybe a key will have something different in it, and it has copper. So maybe foreign currency, a 50 cents euro, copper. Canadian coins, copper. And maybe another euro with something shiny in it, copper. So maybe I thought I'll try a bolt and see what's in it. And something interesting besides copper. Stop it. And we have right here 2 peaks, one for iron and one right there. I believe this is zinc. So at least something interesting. So I have these 2 soldering wires. This one is easily recognizable. I suspect it to contain lead. So here we go. This is lead soldering. We have the doublets right here for lead. It's recognizable. The regular one for tin right here. So we have lead soldering wire. And then I wanted to try lead-free soldering. So let's have a piece of soldering here. So I wonder what they replace it with. And here we have our peaks coming out. And would you look at that? We have 1, 2 peaks right there at 1675 and about 1492. This is right here. This is tin. This one and this one, this is tin. No doubt about it. But these right here, this is not lead. So upon further investigation, turns out I couldn't believe it. This is actually yttrium. Yes, yttrium in the soldering wire. It came as a surprise to me. If there's anything you want me to try, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to XRF a bunch of crap for you. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, comments, and thumbs up. Thanks for watching.